An interesting thing happened today. After getting an exorbitant quote from Jaguar Land Rover of several £100s for one of these lights, I decided to take a risk and order an aftermarket one. I assumed a Chinese one, but anyway, I thought I'd give it a go. But when it came, I see that this is the original one. Look, made in Czechoslovakia by Varroc, which is an Indian-owned manufacturer of parts. And there's your part number and the Land Rover logo. And on the aftermarket one, I see that it's also made by Varroc and also in Czechoslovakia. But here you can see where someone with a hot iron has rubbed out or melted out the Land Rover logo and the part number on the side there. So now this I don't understand. They do appear to be both genuine parts. Only one was, I can say, significantly cheaper than the other. Under half price, I would say. Or is it fake? So this aftermarket one was by a company called Van Wezel, although it does actually say Varroc for the producer there, and this company is a Belgian company. So yeah, all very interesting.